In this video, we are going to take a look at whether gold is likely to continue to push higher later this month or if the top is in. Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing well and hope you stayed safe with the FOMC volatility that we saw here this week. Okay, so just a reminder, if you guys do want to join us in the VIP group, you can get 70% off lifetime access this month only. See the link at the top of this video for access. You're going to get daily videos, exclusive charts, and you'll also see my trades in real time, as well as the new video course that's coming out very soon. All right, so once again, check that link out or see the link in the description of this video. Okay, looking at the gold daily time frame. Right now, we do have conflicting signals here for gold. And the reason I say that, because you can see that yesterday, this rally, this was yesterday's FOMC rally. So we got gold closing back above this pivot right around 2K. So you can see that back here was resistance right before we got the breakout and a new all-time high for gold. Okay, now at the moment, the market is trading above that level. However, it's also trading below 2050, which was the previous all-time high closing price, daily closing price for gold before we got the all-time high on December 4th. So it's conflicting signals because on the one hand, you don't want to try to short the market after yesterday's close back above 2K. And at the same time, you don't want to try to long the market because it's coming into this confluence of resistance. So if we drill down to the hourly time frame, or I'm sorry, the 4-hour time frame, let's take a look here at the channel that I've discussed recently. So you can see that off of this low down here, we've got these two lows. We've also got these two highs. Again, this up here was the all-time high for gold, or is the all-time high, I should say. And you can see where we've got these two lows right here at the bottom of that channel. Now, today tested this level as new resistance. And once again, you can see confluence of resistance right here based on this key horizontal as well around 2050. Okay, so some may see this as a short. However, I don't see it that way. And the reason for that is, again, first of all, gold closed back above this area around 2K yesterday. All right, now this right here, this daily close, means that I do not want to short into support. And at the same time, if you look at other commodities, okay, specifically platinum, palladium's up 12% today and potentially breaking a very critical level. The same thing with platinum. Platinum just gave us the first higher low and higher high in a very long time. So I do think that the commodity charts out there are starting to look pretty bullish. And so for that reason, I would rather look for a buy here on gold rather than trying to short this. So we could still get a retest down here. Okay, first and foremost, we could get a retest down here. So I don't want to buy right here at current levels because the market is technically still below resistance. So what I'll be looking for instead is over the coming days, if we can get a retest up here above 2050 and close back within this channel, all right, if we get the market closing back up here, then it has reclaimed this level and we are likely to see a run at 2075. And in my opinion, this wick from back here on December 4th, because this up here is a huge imbalance in the market right now that tends to serve as a magnet. Okay, so specifically 2118. This level is going to be one to watch because it is the 50% of this wick. Now, furthermore, if you look at the hourly, this up here stands as the highest hourly close for gold at 2118. And again, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, that is the 50% of that wick from December 4th. So I think that 2118 or thereabouts is going to be a level to watch if we do get gold reclaiming the area around 2050. But again, this is going to be critical. We have to see the market reclaim this up here in order for this to turn bullish again. As of right now, 2050 is resistance. All right, so pretty straightforward here for gold, in my opinion. Again, conflicting signals right now, but I do think that looking at other commodity charts, you know, platinum, palladium, etc., they are starting to look pretty bullish. And this is not something that I want to short right now, given those charts and also given the recent daily close above 2K. Now, the only thing that could change this is if we got a daily close back below 2K. If we got a close back down here, then it would negate everything I just said about reclaiming 2050. And if we see gold just go sideways here for a while and then eventually test up here while channel support is in that region, then so be it. You know, that's what the market's going to do. So, you know, we'll have to take it one day at a time. But again, I am looking for a reclaim up there at 2050 a sustained break back below 2K would negate that idea. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, be sure to smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon for notifications. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for 70% off lifetime access to our VIP group. Trade well this week, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.